Hey y'all, I'm Marquez. Welcome back to my channel, MDPuppets. And today we're going to do another walkthrough of Barnes & Nobles. Follow me. So, right now I'm looking at this shark that was pretty expensive. But it's still cool. I like swinging with it. So, do you think I should get this? And right now, I am looking at this sock puppet that was $33, but it was nice, like it was a superhero or something like that. Yeah. And another one was another sock puppet. It cost $31, and another one also $31. Do you think I should get this next? Because I like what it looks like. Or glasses. And what else they got? Also, let me see. Okay, that looks nice. Let me see it. And I see a princess. She's cute. And it costs $20. I think my mom will like this one. I believe. And over here, I see a big, whatever animal this is. I know it was expensive, but who knows? I like what it looks like. But anyways, let's see what else they got. Bunch of books everywhere. Yup. Bunch of books. Bunch of Barbies. Toys. I wish my mom will like this one. I don't care. Whatever it is. Bugs. Bunch of books. Oh, look at this cute bird right here. Nice little bird. Red bird. I wish I could take this with me. What you guys think? Well, it's time for me to get out of here. It's nice seeing y'all. Peace.